Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. The problem that we have today is one involving a ball thrown into the air that lands z meters from where it was thrown. Now, if the equation of its path is this, x into 50 minus x, the question is, where does it land and how high does it go? So, what we're looking for is, we're first of all looking for this. The question of where it lands involves figuring out what the possible solutions for this equation could be. So let's get to work on that. So x into 50 minus x equals 0. We're looking for where they would equal 0 on the, where this would equal 0 rather on the y-axis, because at that point we're on the ground. Now, in order to make this equal 0, x must either equal 0, so that, let us assume, is the point from which this is thrown. In order to make this bracket equal 0, x must equal 50. 50 minus 50 equals 0, and that renders this equation equal to 0. So, in answer to the question, what is z? It is 50 meters. Now, what does this graph look like? Well, it's an upside down parabola. So it looks roughly like that. Okay. Now, it's symmetrical, which means that its highest point is halfway between here and here at 25 meters. So, that allows us to work out the maximum height that this thing reaches. So, what do? Well, we put 25 into this equation. So 25 times 50 minus 25 equals height. That is some ball. Well, I really had not expected this. I wonder how this got thrown into the air. Was it with a cannon? Anyway, we'll do this, and you'll see the crazy result that we get. So that's 25 times 25. 50 minus 25 is 25. That is 625 meters. Is this thing a rocket? I don't think it's a ball. I think it's a rocket. This point up here is 25, 625. 25 times 25 gives us that. So, I got this question from I saw it in a book, and I do not know what this person's throwing arm is like, but it's something spectacular. Someone should sign them to a team. Okay, well, that's how this is done. You solve your quadratic equation for 0. You should get the starting point. You should get the finishing point on the x-axis. And again, because this thing is symmetrical, you get the unbelievable result of how high this thing went. That's more than half a kilometer. That is some throw. Anyway, there we are. That's how you do this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.